Hi guys, welcome to Distaka channel guys. So guys, I'm discuss very important topic here. So how we can promoting for mobile application by using Facebook ads and Instagram ads. So we'll be discussing the two things. How we can promoting mobile application, Facebook and Instagram. So here the Facebook will be started in this your particular website is there, your particular mobile app is there. So first of all, I'll explain about the Arunus Academy. This application, first of all, launching main purpose, 6th to 10th CBS subject, maths, physics, chemistry, biology. They will be give the complete live classes up to 6th to 10th class, CBS and State Board of AP and Telangana. So this application will more help to the students to learn the real-time scenarios and live classes and to will be chart also will be accepted in this application. So go this application Arun Academy, and right now in this application I can advertise using for Facebook option. First of all, we can open for facebook.com/manage. In this app promotion will be two things. One is here will be in this application. So here we can come into this option. See here all options. So here we can go with the options are here. So this will be every option will be given in a particular things. So these all options will be here. This will be into particular boost post, boost Instagram, promote your application here. We have two methods. With application is there, with the Facebook page and ads manager. In this ads manager, simple selecting create ad option. They will be option will be called consideration. The option will be called consideration. So first of all, app main purpose, first of all, you have to show to customers. So first of all, this app will be for state board and CBS, AP and Telangana, 6th to 10th class. So that will be how we can helping to the customers will be installed here. Click app install. So automate app ad, drive campaign performer continuously in this particular app. Manually set up the run app campaign will be here. So we'll be selecting for any one option. So yeah, select your option. Here will be. So yeah, automate app install, app ad. Select your next option. Campaign. It is major important for app install purpose. I have to most focus about the app installs. Next, in this, add your Google Play Store URL in your option. Here is the option. Compulsory. What are the app you promoting? The name will be compulsory. Will be here in this where you can promote your location. Your location will be. You can use the location will be. So yeah, we have to select option names, countries, regionals. Here is the option will be here. So now I'm selecting this position here. So selecting app will be India and English will be here. So this all will be options. So daily will be, I can put in for budget will be 150 rupees. So this is my budget will be setting for exactly 150. So here the mention will be particular start date. I don't mention end date. So what is the purpose of not mentioned by end date? This app install anytime I can running purpose. I'm not mentioned by the your particular end date option. So it will be minimum we can go for 75 rupees onwards. So minimum we can go for 75 rupees onwards. So any error will be occur, please be converted into the perfect option. Click for next. Finally, you can design your Facebook page and Instagram. So this ad will be useful for where? Particular Facebook and Instagram also. So that is here in this select image, and select will be text. So yeah, this mainly my action is called install. So that is the purpose. What are the options are here? More will be privileges, view more option where it will be shown to the customers. Instant article, video will be here, video feed and stories. They're showing for Instagram feed, Instagram stories, Instagram Explorer, native banner and interface, audience networks. Here will be is a video not there. Message inbox and Facebook feeds. These are the fields will be give the ad will be shown to the customers. So guys, as a beginner, they can't understand. The method is called properly mention. So I'm an expert. I can easily mention and my budget and finishing ad. So everyone is I'm expert. I can do this one. So first of all, the major thing is called how you can advertise your mobile application in Facebook. First of all, method you can understanding. So what are the page you design? What are the Instagram? What is the Facebook? That is a more attractive to the customers. There's a first option you will be keeping on the mind. Total 11 placement. In 11 placement except video, all placement will be working. See this one, instant article, instant video, video field, stories, and Instagram stories, Instagram Explorer, and honest network, and they will be not displayed by the rewarded video, message inbox, and Facebook feed. If you open on Facebook, the feeds will be here. This is also your sponsored ads. Finally, the close, click for publish your ad. This ad now publishing for marketing to getting installs to based on your content to publish the app to the customer will be reached and activate your option. So we have getting some error, it will be fixed and publish it. Now I'm fixing here. There is an option in this. Finally, it will go to the publishing will be here. So guys, this will be ad will be published and active stage will be here, and what are the will be using, that all will be a particular option. So this is where we can promoting for app promotions on a particular mobile app options. So this is a method you can follow to increase the mobile app installs by using Facebook and Instagram option. Follow these guidelines, increase the Facebook and Instagram, and using for promoting for Facebook install. There will be show will be like this sponsor guide. This is most of the showing to the mobile users and getting for more install your particular mobile app promotion purpose. Follow these instructions and promote your mobile application using Facebook and Instagram ad by using for Facebook option. If any further doubts, ask me to the Digital Rakesh. I definitely will be support through my channel how we can promoting mobile apps by using Facebook and Instagram option. Thank you. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.